They told us Americans were wasteful, that they threw broken things away. I learned the truth in the spring of 1943. Sergeant Callahan placed a grease-stained salvage log for B-17 412666 in my hands. It was open to the 47th blank line. For a prisoner, this was impossible. I believed my skills were for scrap. The log's pages were thick with oil, each previous entry a story of stubborn repair. He trusted me with his cursed plane. In that jungle graveyard, my enemy valued a broken machine enough to fight for it 47 times, and so they valued the man who could make it fly. If you believe these stories deserve to be preserved, subscribe. I am 84 now. I still feel the weight of that log and the respect it held.